I say what, old chaps and chappets, GameChap and Bertie here.
Yes!
Yes, and I do say to you fellows, in this videogram we are inspecting the rather marvellous and newly updated Lasers mod by W3 Craft, version 1.1c to include lenses, you know.
My goodness me! That's what they do.
Precisely, old chap. I say, how does one go by crafting these rather spiffing advanced weapons, I say?
Oh, there's loads of... You need a Bertie degree in laser science to do it.
No, right.
I've only got one in Chapley and whiskey, so that's it.
Tea myself, old chap.
Brilliant tea. Right, but never mind. Anyway, all blocks are based on a ruby. And you can get a ruby by 4 redstones, 1 piece of glass.
Hold on. 4 redstones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a piece of glass. Bob's your jolly ruby uncle, I say. Yes, indeed, a ruby, I say. Righto.
Ruby Bob.
Yes, indeed.
Right. Now, you can have a cup of Ruby Lee.
Well, precisely.
Right, now,
yes.
straight on. Now, all the blocks are made in the following fashion.
Yes.
The lasers.
Right.
7 pieces of stone.
Yes, and a sort of
all the way round,
C-shape.
that's it, yes.
All the way round, right.
Yes. And then 1 piece of... That's it, very nonsense. 1 piece of glass on the right-hand side and a ruby in the middle.
And a ruby in the centre.
There
you go, I say. Here it comes once more, the jolly laser, I say.
That's it, glass and all the pieces.
Indeed, smash all apart, and I dare say to you fellows, the whole laser jolly powering up business is all crafted from this jolly pleasurable item here, being in the jolly lens crafting bench, I say.
Yes, indeed, and the crafting recipe for that is 1,000 different items, all in the mod.
Indeed, old chap, you must go and consult the thread, chaps and chappets, of the various crafting recipes, but I dare say this in itself is a marvel of technology, I say. Simply place the item of your chosen rim choice in the top there, like so, and you get a Bertie rim straight away, I say. Put a piece of glass in the centre, and in these 4 slots you can customise your laser lens to your heart's content, I say.
Yes, indeed, all different colours and powers and all sorts of things it does.
Well, precisely. For example, to make a laser of jolly burning power, put in a red one there, rose red dye, together with a diamond, I say, which is more power, you know, and 2 pieces of glowstone for extra range, and there you go. It's a golden red lens, power +3, and range +20, I say, old boy.
Yes, indeed, they're all effective. Range, power, and colour. You can do all sorts of things.
And you can even place in an ender pill at an advanced special function, I say, depending on the lens. So really, a huge selection of possibilities there.
Right, come on, let's see what they all do. That's all we care about, anyway.
Indeed.
What do they do?
We shall go to the garden, old boy, to conduct a few, shall we say, scientific experiments, old chap, I dare say. Good to be here, they'll lie. Our test subjects, don't worry, no kinds were harmed in making this video, I say. Good to be.
Yes, indeed.
We shall set the time to night, chaps and chappets, and the first laser you can see here is a very jolly yellow one, and I dare say, here's what it does, by George.
Go on, Jimmy.
As you can see, it creates a light beam right along the length of the path it travels, old chap.
My goodness me, so it does.
Indeed, jolly, well, it lights your entire day, I say.
It does.
Yes, indeed, old boy. Goodness, rather handy there for perhaps seeing off hostile mobs and lighting up dark tunnels, all that very sort of thing, I dare say.
It's a good idea, indeed.
Indeed, now this one is rather pleasurable, old chap. It's the Bertie blue one of slowing dyness, I say.
Slowing down and slowing down.
Turn that chip on. These Bertie sheep are slowing
Hang on.
dying.
Goodness gracious me, they started to go.
Well, precisely.
And then they're taking up.
Yes, well observed.
Yes, indeed, that's what they
and
do.
I dare say it slows you down as well, old chap. So
Yes, indeed it does.
Yes, indeed, old boy. The blue laser of slowing down, as you know.
Slowing down.
This is the green laser of the nature beam, I say. And as you can see, it does such things as assist Bertie plants to grow. And also, apparently, in the right configuration, you can also chop down entire trees once the Bertie nature beam is pointing at them, I say.
Goodness me, is eco-friendly?
Indeed, old boy. Well
The
said.
sheep likes it.
I shall tell you something.
Where's the blaster?
I shall tell you something. This beam is not so very eco-friendly. Observe, old boy, the power of the red laser, old chap. Look at this, old chap.
the power of the red laser.
Indeed,
My
it's
goodness, it goes straight through it.
It's hold on, it's burned through stone. Oh my word,
Goodness me,
it's death. It's death. Doom, destruction, devastation, old boy.
Burgers everywhere.
There's burgers. It burns through all types.
Go to the end. Go, off you go to the end of the garden.
It's probably burned a hole in the back fence post. It has, I say. Goodness me, limited range, thankfully, I dare say, but don't step in that, or Bertie, all things happen, I dare
Yes,
say.
but you can build blocks to put at the end to make the range even further.
Oh my word, oh the humanity,
The
old
sheep
chap.
goes dying.
Oh, I say, it's awful. Turn this horrible creation off, I dare say.
No, the animals, the buffoons, they don't understand.
They don't understand, old chap. Goodness me.
You see, he much prefers the slow down one.
Yes, indeed, old chap. Well said. Good. As you can see, how we also have further red beams of justice here, which fire off into the distance to do all sorts of very unknown events.
Highest defence.
Indeed, highest defence.
Aren't they safe there?
Of
With all
course
that
they're
energy?
jolly good.
Sure.
Of course they're safe. Old chap. As you can see here, old boy, we have another red laser of justice, I say, which is connected up to a barrier reflection unit, I say.
Yes, you can craft that unit as well. What does it do? Go on,
Observe, old chap. As you can see, it's barrier wheel
Goodness
burning a
me,
hole
it's-
through the mountain, I say.
Bend the light and it's blasting a hole right through the mountain.
Great Scott, old boy, absolutely superb, I dare say. And of course, this one here has an absolute delight as well, old chap. It's a Bertie pushing beam, you know. Yahoo, I
My
dare
goodness.
say. Yes, indeed.
You can repel every incoming enemy with that.
Precisely, Neville.
I see your idea.
It's a unit of repulsion, I dare say. And of course, old chap, to test this...
Hang on, wait a minute, you've got lasers as well as repellers. Your house is completely safe.
Totally secure, old chap. And as you can see here, chaps and chappets, I have constructed a contraption of sorts, which means that once I turn on this repulsion unit, this door will also simultaneously open and force that creep into the back of the gate, I say, old chap.
Blast him into the kingdom come, come on.
Indeed, observe, I say. Tally-ho, away we...
What made wrong? No, that one's it pulls them in.
For goodness...
Pulls them away.
I wasn't told like this. One's a ballet track to me and one's a repulsion unit, old chap.
Well, you got it wrong. You got it mixed up.
My eyes have certainly got it mixed up as well, old boy. What the blue-blazing bat of the borders to meaning this, old
I
chap?
don't know. He came in there about 100 miles per hour, I think.
For goodness ballet sakes, buddy. I can't even keep my eyes in one piece when it's surrounded by high-technology laser beams, old chap.
Well, never mind. Look at it this way. At least the others will repel the other bad things away.
Yes.
You're only going to lose half of your eyes, or a little bit.
Yes, thank you very much, brother.
Yes,
I say to you...
Have a burger.
Thank you, old
Never
chap.
appeared to you, what?
I shall partake of roast chicken, old boy.
Oh, yes, indeed.
This has indeed been a GameChap and Bertie inspection of the rather marvellous lasers modification video. Thank you, Granny. Yes, thank you, Granny, for joining us. And we very much look forward to seeing you once more on the next exciting idea, I say. Tally-ho! Until then...